Now, a petition has been filed urging a probe into Arvind Kejriwal's orders from ED custody. The petition has been filed in the Delhi High Court, which seeks to restrain the Delhi Chief Minister, Mr. Kejriwal, from issuing directions or orders while in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate. The petitioners also sought a registration of complaint and also investigation as to how these directions are being issued by Mr. Kejriwal while he's still in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate. The plea also additionally seeks directions against the Enforcement Directorate to not provide a typist or a computer or a printer or any such amenities to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal while he still remains in their custody. Let me in fact go across to Mr. Surjit Yadav, who is joining us on right now to take us through his own petition that he's now filed in the Delhi High Court. Mr. Yadav, please take us through the petition that you filed. What are the specific prayers that you've included that the Delhi High Court needs to take cognizance of?
सर, हमारी मेन प्रेयर जो है इसमें वो ये है कि जो केजरीवाल जी को ईडी ने अपनी कस्टडी में रहते हुए प्रिंटर, टाइपिस्ट और सब कंप्यूटर उपलब्ध कराया है, वह गैर कानूनी है। कस्टडी से वो ईडी की कस्टडी में है, रिमांड पर है, वहां से कोई भी वो ऑफिशियल डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं भेज सकते। और जिसने भी ये करा है, जिसने भी ये काम करा है, चाहे ईडी ने करा है, चाहे केजरीवाल जी ने कैसे करा है, इस पे एक्शन लिया जाए। इसके लिए हमने हाई कोर्ट में पीआई लगाई।
और मिस्टर यादव, कोई एक स्पेसिफिक ऐसे प्रोविजन आपने साइट किया है कानून का दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट के लिए विच दे कैन टेक नोट ऑफ कि ये एक्शन इलीगल है मिस्टर केजरीवाल द्वारा, या फिर ये एक मोरालिटी पर आपने प्ली फाइल फील की?
नहीं, मोरालिटी पर नहीं होता। देखिए, जब आप कस्टडी में हैं किसी के, तो ईडी ने आपकी जो कस्टडी ली है, बिल्कुल, वो केवल आपसे पूछताछ करने के लिए ली है। आपको कोई भी ऑफिशियल काम करना है तो वो उसमें आपको कोर्ट से परमिशन आवश्यक है। कोर्ट की परमिशन से अगर आप नहीं कर रहे हैं, और ये जो आतिशी जी हैं वो दिल्ली सरकार के ऑफिशियल मंच से केजरीवाल जी के पत्र को जेल से आया हुआ पत्र बता रहे हैं जी, यह भी गलत है। और वे आदेश बता रहे हैं जिस प्रकार से, तो ये ईडी ने यदि कोई भी इनकी सहायता की है तो वह कानूनी रूप से ही गलत है। हम अपनी तरफ से कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं जी।
ओके, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया मिस्टर यादव। सो ही फाइल्ड अ पिटिशन राइट नाउ इन द दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट seeking to restrain Mr. Arvind Kejriwal from passing any orders or directions to his ministers on matters of policy from within jail. Let me go across to Rame. Now we'll get us some more details. Rame, this matter is now only escalating. The BJP, of course, calls Kejriwal's actions as completely illegal if indeed he's passing instructions from within jail. Now, of course, the matter also escalating with the petition being filed in the Delhi High Court.
So this is not the first public interest litigation which has been filed against Arvind Kejriwal. Recently, after his arrest, one more public interest litigation was moved by the same petitioner, stating that the CM cannot, that Arvind Kejriwal cannot continue on the chair, on the constitutional position as a CM now, and hence he should be removed. With such prayers, a petition was moved earlier. Now this petition has been, a fresh plea has been moved, which states that please investigate, please set up an investigation team to inquire how Arvind Kejriwal is passing orders, how he's giving directions while he's in the custody of the Enforcement Directorate. Remember, Delhi's Rouse Avenue Court had recently granted Enforcement Directorate 7 days custody of Arvind Kejriwal. The purpose of this custody is interrogation to unearth the proceeds of crime, to unearth the money laundering which happened in the Delhi Excise Liquor Policy scam. But it is coming again and again in the press through Aam Aadmi Party leaders that recently Arvind Kejriwal asked his ministers, asked his officers to make sure that there is no water logging, there is no water crisis in the Delhi. Now this another circular has been released by Delhi CM stating that Mohalla's clinic are not running well and medicine shortages there and such and such. So the petitioner has now questioned that a person who is in custody of the Enforcement Directorate, how he is passing such orders, who is providing him with a typist, who is providing him all such stationery. Remember, when a person is arrested, his liberty is curtailed. He is no more a free man. His liberty is curtailed with reasonable restrictions. And when a liberty is curtailed, such
absolutely, Rame. We'll wait and see as to what happens with respect to this particular petition, whether or not the Delhi High Court decides to list it, and if so, when. Many thanks for that update. Now,